Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Check it out. We're heading over towards Bullhead City. Gonna make a run up to Henderson, Nevada. So I thought I'd take a different way up here. This is Highway 64. Cuts between Kingman and Bullhead, Laughlin, all that. Thought we'd stop and check out Davis Dam and Lake Mohave. You know, Lake Mojave's becoming the new Lake Mead anymore. It's got water. You don't realize that this pass here is over 3,500 feet. I believe it's called Union Pass. In history, too, there's dirt trails off to the left with old buildings. Way back for the old road when it cut through here before it's all this 4-lane highway here. A lot of four-wheelers go back in there and stuff. One of these days I'll bring the buggy up here and we'll have to do that. Straight out, way out there, that's California. Speaking of California, I was in Los Angeles last week at a huge YouTube conference. Sure makes you appreciate home, I'll tell you that. Arizona, it's wide open. Even Nevada, all that. There was so many people there, but I'm glad I went. The conference was huge for YouTube and for my channel and growth and all that. Check out this footage. This was in Los Angeles on the 405 freeway. I was socked in there for like an hour. Speakers from all over the world, including that Mr. Beast. That guy right there has like 120 million subscribers, huge. Then they had smaller conference rooms talking about ads, marketing, strategies of branding, things that help your channel grow, which RVerTV needs. Anyways, all good stuff. Glad I survived it, but guess what? We're going to go check out Lake Mohave like right now. Those runaway truck ramps, aren't those scary looking? Be driving a big old rig, but this is a steep pass here. I think some of the angles, degrees, get up 6-8%. That's pretty big for a truck. Okay, we're gonna make a right here. Gonna go back and check out Davis Dam. Gonna keep on rolling too a little bit. Look at that guy's got his fishing boat. See, they got water here. You can launch a boat. It's not like Lake Mead. Lake Mojave's a cool lake too. It's long. It's a pretty good sized body of water. Okay, we're gonna make a left here. I've been up here a few times. Now straight ahead is Catherine's Landing. And that's got campgrounds in it, all kinds of boat launches, day use areas. This fall, we're going to come up here. I'm going to do a little camping up here. I love it here. Now that it's finally, you know, fall's in the air, it's going to start cooling down, finally. You know, here in this area, temperatures can get up easily over 120 sometimes, but the average is usually 110 degrees. Bullhead City, Laughlin, Needles, this whole little Colorado River basin. It just gets hot as a pistol. This has all changed too. They've put in new sidewalks, bike ramps, all kinds of walkways. We say, let's go out and check it out. You can't camp in here on the dam. Right there is the dam. We'll drive across it when we leave. But look, water. You know, well, Lake Mead dumps into here. Then this one dumps down into Lake Havasu. So Lake Mohave here and Havasu, they're the kind of the fishbowl of the whole water system right now. There's a good little look at the river system. Davis Dam, it was built back in the 50s, I believe, 50s, 60s. You know, earlier this summer, I took that boat ride. We went up to the base of this thing on the boat ride out of Laughlin. Be sure to check out that video. And they produce a lot of power. It's an earthen dam. Look at the size of that thing. Holds back a lot of water. Look at the old pictures. All the old workers. How about that boat, huh? Even bring your horse up here. And fishing, I heard that some of the best fishing. You know, that fish hatchery is up at Willow Beach. Just north of here, it dumps into this body of water. All the fishies. Such a color contrast, isn't it? The blue against the reddish dirt and mountains. You can see the water line. They control the flow. I think they dropped this 3 or 4 feet for maintenance too. If you go online to the National Parks websites, this is listed in there, Lake Mohave. You can get all the boating info and everything. Well, let's drive across. You know, out in the middle of this thing is Nevada. All the rivers, the state line between Arizona, Nevada, California and Arizona, all of it. Matter of fact, up here, you can't drive all the way across. We're going to have to turn around. Right here, where they got it blocked off, there's your state line. But you can see it's not a real wide lake, but it goes up there a lot of miles, and you can boat the whole thing. Down there's the power station. That's Colorado River down there. Straight across, there's Nevada. Pretty cool, huh? They don't have tours anymore. They used to up here, but they don't. Alright, well, we gotta keep on trucking. We're gonna keep heading up towards Henderson, Nevada. Good to see water, though. The new Lake Mead. They even got houseboats at the marinas. You know, matter of fact, when we go up through Searchlight, maybe, you know, there's that Cottonwood Cove. Maybe we'll put that on the list to check out. There's the skyline of Laughlin, Nevada, all the casinos. They got some proposals. I guess they're going to be building some new ones. Nevada is just massive for growth in those casinos. Okay, you got to make a right up here. This is Highway 163, beat Nevada. Right here, we're going to cross over to Nevada. Here's the Colorado River. That's where I caught that boat ride, right down there at Riverside Casino. That was neat. If you get a chance, take that boat ride. Be sure to check that video. Okay, we're going to go straight about 15 miles up this road, 16, somewhere around there. We're going to connect with Highway 95. This is a very cool, pretty drive climbing out of this canyon here. There's dispersed camping called Telephone Cove, I believe. You go all the way down to the water and camp for free. The day use area on the Nevada side, backside of Davis Dam. There's a park, all kinds of stuff. Boat launch, horseback riding, Spirit Mountain. I mean, it's endless what you have up here. Very pretty area. Okay, we're up in the flatland now. Right up here is Highway 95. Gonna be heading north. We'll merge on to 95. This is one busy road. 95, it's a main cut route. It's a trucker route. Clear from Vegas, you cut down to the different highways, the interstates. Between I-15, I-40, I-10, all of it. It goes all the way down. Huge route. And we're not that far from Vegas. I mean, it's just right up the road. Searchlight, Vegas, all that. Henderson, Boulder City. That little gas station's been there forever. A little community right there. Kind of like a little oasis in the desert. Plus up here, there's a big rest area. Another little oasis in the desert. Look how open and flat. This is hardcore desert. Dirt trails. As far as you can see, up at those mountains straight ahead, that's Searchlight. Just past that would be Henderson and Vegas. And over that direction, there's Spirit Mountain. Then right up here, it's kind of cool. There's a little community. There's an RV park, a tiny little casino, a little airport, a few homes. I think it's called Cal Nevari. It's after the states, California, Arizona, Nevada. The first three letters. I mean, talk about living out in the middle of nothing. Here you go. Yeah, right up here. You know, years ago, I spent the night in the RV park there. It was okay. Nothing wrong with it. It was a good little pit stop for a night. Then right off over here to the left, there's the RV park. They got a little motel, a little store. There's a casino. Isn't that cool? Too cool for school. Well, here we are. This is the big town of Searchlight, Nevada. Now, one thing you gotta know about Searchlight, it's a speed trap. You go from 65, 70 miles an hour to 50, and then all of a sudden you're doing 25 miles an hour. And they will pull you over in this town. Right off to the right, there's the Searchlight International Airport. Mining, this whole town is honeycombed in mines. And here we slow down. There's gas stations here. Fuel is usually a pretty decent price. Anymore, there is no decent price for fuel. Yuck Donalds. Well, we'll spend a little time here. We're going to go check out Cottonwood Cove. Journey continues. Talk soon.